How to fill the screen with text very quickly in Affinity Photo. Go to the Artistic Text tool, create some text. I'm just going to go with the word text. It could of course be anything. Select an individual character, go to the Swatches panel and apply a colour. Repeat. You could apply any set of colours. Once you've done that, go to Filters and Blur and maybe apply a motion blur. I'm going to apply it so it's going across, straight across, so 180 degrees, and set the value to about 60 or 70. Click Apply. Then go to the Brushes panel, then go to the right side menu and down to New Brush from Selection. And once you've got that, you can go and edit it. So double click. What you do, change the size. Now I like to reduce it down a bit, maybe make it about 480, 490. Don't want it too big. You can change the spacing, but also you can go to Dynamics, and that's the key thing. Go for Size Jitter, set it to the max. Set Rotation Jitter to the max. Also the Scatter X and Y, set them fairly high, up to you of course. Set the Hue Jitter and also Saturation Jitter. I would suggest leave Luminosity the same and click Close. Now I'm just going to remove the original text and go to the Paintbrush tool and then Apply. You can fill the screen in countless ways. Once you've done that, you can also apply filters. Go to Filters and Lighting. In the lighting, go to Type and set it to Directional. You can modify the direction, and also you can go down here to the texture and just increase it just slightly. Don't go too far or you get a lot of noise into it. And click Apply. There you have it, a quick image full of text. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.